Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can fix laptop not connecting to Wi-Fi problem in a very simple way. If your laptop is not connecting to Wi-Fi, if the internet is not showing, or if the Wi-Fi option is missing, then this video will help you fix everything, step by step. So, let's start the methods. First method is to run the Windows Internet Connection Troubleshooter. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, open System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Other Troubleshooters. Now find the Internet Connections option and click on Run. A new window will open. Select the option that says, Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. Now Windows will automatically scan your system. It will detect problems and try to fix them automatically. After it completes, check your Wi-Fi again. If your problem is still not fixed, move to the next method. Second method is to check WLAN AutoConfig service. This service is very important for Wi-Fi to work properly. If it is stopped, your Wi-Fi will not work. Open the Start menu. Type Services and open it. Scroll down and find WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click on it and open Properties. Now find the Startup Type option and set it to Automatic. Then click on the Start button if the service is stopped. After that, click Apply and then click OK. Now try connecting your Wi-Fi again. If it is still not working, continue with the next method. Third method is System Configuration Fix. Open the search bar, type System Configuration, and open it. Go to the Services tab. Here, click on Enable All option. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now restart your laptop. After restart, check your Wi-Fi again. If the issue continues, move to the next step. Fourth method is updating Wi-Fi driver. Driver problem is one of the most common reasons for Wi-Fi not working. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Find your wireless driver. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Now choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click Next and wait for the process to complete. After that, check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is still not fixed, go to the next method. Fifth method is reinstalling Wi-Fi driver. Sometimes the driver gets corrupted and causes this issue. Open Device Manager again. Go to Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi driver and click Uninstall Device. Now restart your laptop. When your laptop turns on, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. After that, your Wi-Fi should start working properly. Now check your internet connection again. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the problem completely. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.